Does the idea of promoting affiliate products scare you? Are you afraid that you will come across salesy when you promote your affiliate products? Do you want people to see that your intention is truly to provide your audience with the best resources? And make some extra cash in the process? If you clicked on this article, you're probably interested in affiliate marketing. But maybe the fear of coming across pushy or salesy when you promote your affiliate products scare you? Or maybe you don't know how to promote affiliate products in an authentic, genuine, and helpful way to your audience? Either way, we need to get clear on one thing. If you're promoting a product, actually use the product and sell from a place of integrity, not for a quick buck. Also, there's another box that opens up when you start promotion with affiliate products you need to be aware of. People will love and hate your product recommendations. You can't please everyone and don't try to. Simply come from an intention of helping and sharing useful information to your audience. I've gotten affiliate testimonials like this. And like this. You cannot please everyone. It's not your job to. Side sarcastic comment: if you're using Medium to promote your affiliate links, the haters will still pay you as they read your articles. It's a win/win. Focus on the positive, they're often more prevalent than the negative comments. But also review the negative comments maybe as a source of feedback. For example, people stated in an article that they hated the bot voice, so I actually went back to my article to update my thoughts on it and address their concerns. So that for any future reader, their concerns are answered. Here's the article by the way. https://medium.com/fedium/ how I turn my blog articles into faceless YouTube videos automatically FB 7848 CB5C9B. Can we get to the how to tutorial already? I've dragged you through reading my article long enough. Let's get into it. Your copy structure. 1. Disclaimer. 2. Problem pathos. 3. Solution climax. 4. Feedback loop. 5. Bonus juicer. Tell me which title you loved from above in the comments, haha. The disclaimer. On the internet, people expect to be sold to. From the constant ads on YouTube touting about how I made X money from this, insert super secret strategy, to retargeted advertisements on a product that you saw a couple of days ago. Be honest and upfront when you're promoting an affiliate product. People trust you more because of it. You're not tricking people to buy from your link, you're simply saying, hey, you can purchase from my affiliate link at no extra cost to you. It would go a long way, but you're not obligated to do so. It creates an opportunity for an out. You're not forcing anyone to do anything. Finally, you can use this to handle any objections about being an affiliate for a product to your audience. For example, you can open the copy by saying, hey, I'm honest in telling you I'm an affiliate for X product, but it's my highest intention to still give you solid information to inform your decision. I'm here to help you decide, not force you to buy. The problem pathos. When you're promoting affiliate products, set it up like a story. Share with people the problem that you are having, and why you began the search for X product to begin with. People can relate to your story and think to themselves, yep, that's me too. Be descriptive in your frustrations, feelings, etc. The solution climax. Share how you finally found X product that helped you do Y task like it's a goddamn celebration moment. Because it feels extremely rewarding when you finally find a solution to a frustration that you've been having for a while. I'm pretty sure that your readers will feel the same way as well. The feedback loop. This is an opportunity for you to handle all those FAQs, or potential objections they may have with deciding to purchase X product. Be upfront with those potential issues the customer might face. Also, use this as an opportunity to respond to all those negative Nancys. Similarly to how I mentioned above that people didn't like a specific feature, address it and move on. The bonus juicer. With affiliate marketing, you're kind of competing to have people purchase from your specific link. If everyone is promoting the same product, how do you differentiate yourself? Well, you can create a bonus if people purchase from your link to track affiliate sales. For example, anyone who signs up for Banner Bear and submits a proof of purchase form will get a video training on how to create YouTube Shorts automatically with the tool. Your bonus doesn't have to be a course, it could be a 1. Digital product. 2. Masterclass. 3. Physical product. 4. Etc. etc. The goal is to offer your audience more beyond the product itself. Underscore. In summary, I've showed you how to write copy for an affiliate product without being salesy. Join our online entrepreneurs club below. https://links.collect.chat/61f06818191762 off 0334D. Check out our online entrepreneur resources, you don't want to miss out. Check out our Gumroad store for automation workflows, strategy, and much more. Bookmark this article, click that follow button and Mail Plus icon to get content about all things business, productivity, money, and self-improvement. Get a Medium membership to get access to amazing content by amazing writers. Affiliate links may be present in the article, and the author receives a commission if a purchase is made.